Hello and welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. Today we will delve into the world of smart factories, their features, benefits, the impact of the global economy. We will discuss how the integration of advanced technologies like Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics are transforming traditional factories into smart factories, driving efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. Let's get started.
In this digital era, we see an unprecedented fusion of technologies blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. One such advent is the concept of a smart factory. But what exactly is a smart factory? Technically speaking, a smart factory is a highly digitized and connected production facility that leans on smart manufacturing. 1. The role of the Internet of Things, IoT, in smart factory evolution. The Internet of Things, IoT, has played a key role in the evolution of smart factories, often referred to as the Fourth Industrial Revolution or Industry 4.0. IoT is all about interconnectivity. It's the network of physical devices from industrial machines to handheld devices, connected to the Internet, allowing for seamless interaction and data exchange. 2. Key technologies driving smart factories: AI, machine learning, and big data. Have you ever wondered what lies at the heart of a smart factory? The magic is primarily powered by three key technologies: artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, milliliter, and big data. They work together to automate operations, elevate efficiency, and make manufacturing more precise and reliable. 3. Benefits of transitioning to a smart factory setup. There are plenty of reasons why companies are increasingly making the switch to smart factory setups. This isn't just a trend, it's an investment in the future and a crucial strategy for staying ahead in this competitive, fast-paced world. Some of these benefits are increased efficiency, improved quality, cost savings, enhanced flexibility, and better decision-making. 4. Exploring the digital twin technology in the smart factory environment. So, what exactly is a digital twin? It's a virtual replica of your physical factory setup, allowing you to simulate, predict, and optimize your operations. Its application in a smart factory is nothing short of revolutionary. This digital clone, powered by IoT sensors and cutting-edge software, mirrors your actual factory on a real-time basis. 5. Case study: successful implementations of smart factories. When it comes to understanding the real-world implications of smart factories, nothing can be more illustrative than actual case studies. Both Siemens and Harley-Davidson highlight the transformative power of smart factories. They demonstrate a more efficient, profitable, and resilient manufacturing process. However, achieving these results requires a well-planned, holistic approach encompassing not just technology integration, but also workforce training and cultural shifts within the organization. 6. Potential challenges in implementing a smart factory model. While the transition to a smart factory setup can yield incredible benefits, it is crucial to acknowledge that this transition is not without its hurdles. Challenges are integration complexity, cybersecurity threats, workforce training, high initial investment. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of smart factories make the transition worthwhile. 7. The influence of smart factories on supply chain efficiency. Smart factories, equipped with advanced technologies, have a significant impact on supply chain efficiency. They are transforming traditional supply chains into dynamic, interconnected systems, often referred to as digital supply networks. Smart factories are revolutionizing the supply chain landscape, driving increased efficiency, transparency, and resilience. 8. Sustainability and environmental impact of smart factories. As we delve deeper into the 21st century, sustainability and environmental impact have become integral aspects of all industries, including manufacturing. It's no longer just about efficiency and productivity, it's equally vital how these factories are affecting our planet. 9. Future trends in smart factory technology. A look ahead. As we venture further into the age of digitalization, it's exciting to forecast the future trends that will shape the smart factory landscape. The rate at which technology is evolving promises radical changes that can redefine manufacturing processes. Businesses must be prepared to invest, adapt, and keep up with the rapid pace of technological innovation. In conclusion, the smart factory represents the future of manufacturing, integrating advanced technology, connectivity, and data analytics to improve efficiency, productivity, and flexibility. As we wrap up our journey of exploring the smart factory, remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this.